Azerbaijan is in talks with Pakistan to purchase an undisclosed number of fourth-generation JF-17 Thunder Block III fighter jets equipped with enhanced radar systems and state-of-the-art weaponry in a record-setting deal worth $1.6 billion. According to reports from Air Operation Syndicate, citing sources in Islamabad, these new aircraft would replace Azerbaijan's existing fleet of Russian-made MiG-29 fighters. The superiority of the JF-17 lies in its capabilities, outmatching the region's current aircraft such as the MiG-29 and SU-25. Additionally, Pakistani fighters have the capacity to counter the S-300 air defense system. This transaction stands as the largest export deal for Pakistan's military-industrial complex. Alongside the aircraft, the contract includes ammunition supplies and pilot training. The JF-17C Block III represents the latest iteration of this fighter aircraft. Capable of carrying 8 missiles of various types, it boasts modern radars and electronic warfare systems. Publicly available data indicates the price of such an aircraft to be $25 million. With the deal surpassing $1.5 billion, Azerbaijan is set to overhaul its entire fleet of military aircraft, acquiring approximately 60 JF-17C Block III jets. While Azerbaijani media previously reported an agreement between Baku and Islamabad for the sale of JF-17 aircraft, the contract remains unsigned at present.